there are motorhomes, and then there are moving masterpieces. And what you're looking at right now isn't just a vehicle, it's a white, silver land yacht sculpted for the future. Every line, every curve, every glass panel feels like it was polished by the wind itself. That massive panoramic front window, rising like a glass cathedral, gives the motorhome a signature presence. And the moment you see the three-tier layout with those floating balconies, it becomes obvious, this isn't meant for camping. This is meant for living, at a level most people can only imagine. The exterior blends pearl white bodywork with silver accents, and everything is framed by warm amber lighting that glows like the sun dipping under a horizon. It's aerodynamic, clean, and beautifully futuristic, yet still grounded enough to feel real. And that's exactly where the magic begins, because once you step inside, the design becomes even more impressive. The first room we enter is the master bedroom, and the space feels like a calm, floating capsule built for deep rest. The walls curve around you in soft pearl white, with delicate silver trims catching the warm amber ceiling glow. The bed sits on a matte white platform shaped like a rounded rectangle, floating gently above the floor. Beige bedding softens the entire space, giving it a warm, quiet comfort. A long black glass side window, the same window line you saw outside, stretches elegantly along the wall, covered with a soft beige curtain for privacy. The ceiling follows a layered curve, glowing gently like morning light. It's compact, but intentional, clean, peaceful, and perfectly connected to the motorhome's bright, yacht-like exterior. Right beside it, the dressing area continues that same language but adds a bit more functionality. Storage is smartly built into the curved pearl white walls, making everything feel hidden yet accessible. Soft silver trims run through each cabinet, and the amber LED line along the lower wall creates a warm, ambient atmosphere. The vanity shelf is minimal, just a clean white ledge with an oval mirror glowing softly behind it. Grooming items are arranged neatly, and the wardrobe with beige sliding panels opens to reveal hanging clothes illuminated by warm internal lighting. Everything here feels compact yet generous, clean yet luxurious. From there, we step into the lounge, the heart of the motorhome's comfort. And the moment you enter, the ambience hits you. Pearl white walls flow in smooth aerodynamic curves, silver lines tracing the architecture like gentle winds. A light beige sofa, shaped in a soft amoeba curve, wraps around the space with thin silver piping outlining its form. Under the sofa, warm amber light glows faintly, giving the whole room a cinematic warmth. A sleek oval coffee table sits in the center, topped with a flower vase and a small decor piece. The panoramic black glass window behind stretches across the lounge, pulling in sunlight and landscape views. A compact staircase rises behind the seating area, featuring floating white steps and a sleek silver side rail. Light wood flooring grounds the space, reflecting warmth and making the interior feel bigger than it actually is. Next comes the kitchen, a small but beautifully designed space, shaped for efficiency without sacrificing elegance. Pearl white cabinets line the walls, fitted with subtle silver handles. Warm amber lighting sits beneath the upper cabinets, illuminating the light stone countertop below. The sink and stove are separated clearly, giving the counter structure despite its compact form. A built-in microwave fits cleanly into a white panel, and a rounded dining shelf curves out from the wall with two beige stools beneath it. A slim black glass window sits above, bringing in natural light. It's bright, functional, and beautifully in sync with the motorhome's minimal and aerodynamic identity. Beside it, the executive office feels tailored for someone who still wants to run their world while roaming across landscapes. Pearl white curved walls form the foundation, with silver highlights tracing the room's main arc. A floating desk with silver trim holds a laptop, notebook, and a small vase. The beige leather chair adds a luxurious touch, stitched softly for comfort. A narrow black glass window strip brings in just enough daylight without overwhelming the compact space. The ceiling above glows in gentle golden light, making this tiny office feel like a calm, private command center. Moving further, the bathroom continues the clean and warm design. Pearl white curved walls and thin silver accents create a soft, elegant frame. A warm amber rim light circles the small oval mirror, giving the vanity a subtle glow. The white basin sits atop a floating compact counter, and the curved shower capsule in frosted glass features a golden edge light that makes it feel expensive despite the small footprint. The beige floor tiles and ceiling glow balance everything with warmth. It's compact, realistic, and surprisingly premium for a moving vehicle. Then, the interior transitions into something more indulgent, the mini pool area. This capsule is designed for relaxation. The soaking tub is a glossy pearl white oval with a warm amber underglow beneath the waterline. The soft beige wall panels keep the atmosphere light and soothing, while silver trims maintain the futuristic identity. Rolled towels sit neatly on a recessed shelf, and the gentle layered ceiling glow adds even more serenity. It's a compact spa, but one that feels incredibly special inside a motorhome. Right after the spa comes the fitness pod, a compact gym designed for practicality. Satin white walls curve naturally into silver contour lines, with a warm amber LED strip running along the ceiling. The treadmill and stationary bike sit in front, both finished in realistic gym-grade metallic silver with matte black details. A small chrome dumbbell rack sits against the wall with neatly arranged weights. There's even a light beige bench for basic workouts. A narrow window strip brings in minimal daylight for realism, while the matte wood flooring adds grip and stability. For a motorhome gym, it feels impressive and refined. Finally, we reach the cockpit, the command center of this futuristic land yacht. The dashboard blends satin silver panels with a black glass display band curving across the front. Amber light highlights the controls, giving them a soft glow. The steering wheel mixes silver and charcoal detailing, and the dual beige pilot seats look premium, comfortable, and grounded. The giant panoramic black glass front window, the same one that defines the exterior, now wraps the interior in a seamless view of the world ahead. The ceiling glows in a golden arc, and the matte flooring completes the space. It feels modern, believable, and perfectly aligned with the rest of the motorhome. And now, the question everyone asks, what's the price? A motorhome of this scale, with multiple floors, full glass architecture, luxury finishes, and futuristic design would easily sit in the $4 to $8 million concept range, depending on engineering feasibility. It's not designed for affordability, it's designed for imagination, for luxury, and for those who want a traveling mansion that feels like it belongs in the next decade. So, now I'll ask you, if you had the chance to travel the world in something like this, would you take it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic giants like this.